Hello everybody. I'm not alone today. Danilo will be with me. Okay, shooter. Thank you. Okay, it works. Hello everybody, I'm Ivan from Polywall team. It's Danilo from AV Hub team. Here in Brazil, we represent the control room solutions. It's not very frequent projects, to be honest. Sometimes it's just one project a year which you do. But whenever you come to the task of delivering the control room project with video wall, with the control management system, content management system, with a full setup, that's a real complex and important project which can give you a lot of credits, a lot of reputation on the market if delivered successfully. So our job here is to actually help you to properly design, equip you with the proper equipment, and properly deliver the project of the control rooms. So generally, I would like to start with some news or some information sharing from the control room market. And if you look into what happens right now in this market globally and in Brazil at the same time, it is that data coming more and more common in the control rooms, and the dashboards are started to swarm the video walls. So before, like 5 years ago, it was like one dashboard on the video wall somewhere here, and everybody is happy. Today, it's 10 dashboards every hour. Sometimes they're coming in for a meeting with another 10 dashboards. And the dashboards are everywhere. Power BI, Click, Tableau, some local solutions. Some SCADA systems, again, provide the dashboards. And this data is now fully occupying the video walls inside the control rooms. So that's a nightmare for the operators to control it. Because the dashboards, it's actually the browser windows, which are active. So you need to drill down, change some views, go into some details. And it takes a lot of time, a lot of efforts to control all of this. So operators started to survive, not actually work. So that's a story. And what we do here, currently, it's already existing and delivered projects. Our solution provides a new approach to the dashboard, multiple dashboard experience, which is based on the new feature of new browser engine. It's an enterprise-grade security story behind the video wall, and the same tool is used by Microsoft Teams, Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome. It's an engine for the browser, which is right now updated to the latest version and with a very interesting new features, such as mass login. So right now with Polywall, when you send the dashboards to the video walls, you don't need to authorize in them. You just pick once a profile for the user, and then all the dashboards are coming already authorized. So when you push them to video wall, no need to enter credentials. Imagine the layout of the, let's say, 20 dashboards. And before, users were just 20 times entering credentials, login password, login password, login password. So that was a nightmare. Right now, you just make one login to profile, and then whatever you push under this profile to video wall, already authorized. It's a fantastic time saver for the operators. They can really concentrate on actually working with data, not just authorizing whole day. Next tool which we are delivered already is the persistent sessions. So sometimes you just need to close your dashboards and look into something else. Okay, you worked with some SCADA, you worked with some, I don't know, other dashboards, and then you need to return back. And you need to authorize again? No. The second tool is the persistent sessions. Persistent sessions means that if you authorized in the dashboard once, no need to authorize again. So every time you push it to the video wall, it's already authorized and partially preloaded. So it's very fast, very lean tool to actually work with your control room data, with your multiple dashboards, without any issues. So that one will save you a lot of time of your operators in the dashboards. And sometimes boss is coming and he has his own dashboards, but they are secret, You cannot have them, you cannot look at them without the boss. So incognito mode is here. Only enter it once, no data saved, no password saved, no session saved. So if you close it, it will just disappear. All these tools are for the dashboard users, for the control rooms which you're building. And these tools are actually changing the way how the operators work with the data. But we can be even better. So right now, on this event, it's the first time we provide globally announced a 3.11 next version launch. It actually will follow the Dealer Touch Day, the announcement, and you're first to hear about this. We have deployed even more convenient tool for the operators to work with your video data. And this tool is named Polywall Lens. By the way, you can experience it in our demo installation on the second floor. After the show, on the lunchtime, please come, check how it works. It's magnificent. Yeah, he already seen it. So how it works, just imagine a control room. Yesterday, we was in this control room, 8x3 video wall, something like this on the background. So it's huge video wall, and your operator has just a full HD monitor. How he can control it? He cannot even see the small details. So the answer is Polywall Lens. So how it works? You just click on the lens button, enter the credentials, pan on your device. By the way, it can be not just PC, it can be tablet, it can be smartphone. So you pan across your video wall, find your source, and interact with it. Enter some data, click into some changing of the layouts, change some details, zoom in, zoom out inside the source. So you operate the same way as you operate with anything else, but with a huge video wall with a lot of pixels. So it's no need to install any applications. It works inside browser. So no need to enter any drivers, no compatibility issues. You can just take off your mobile PC, log in to your control room system, and you can already check your video wall and browse across of it. So just browser and nothing more. It works in all platforms. So if your boss is using smart TV with Android and he wants to see the image of the control room video wall, you can also do it. If you just use a touch display and would like to have a convenient way for the guests to see what's on the video wall, you can do it. If you just want to quickly check what's happening right now and you're a system admin, you take out your mobile phone and it will work. It doesn't matter, is it an Apple or Android? No, it will work. Just open the link and go to your video wall. That's how it works. So the usual cases for that kind of applications, first of all, of course, it's our main operator. So he can drill into some details on the video wall immediately to any part of the video wall. It doesn't matter if it's a huge story or just small stuff. Second story is the boss. Boss or admin or supervisor, he wants to see what happens in the next room. He don't have time to go there. So for him, you can make his smart TV to show what's on the video wall. And using touch, he can actually go inside and check in details. It's a fantastic story because no need to install any hardware, no need to make any settings. Just use his browser to open the Polywall Lens and give it to him. It's easy and free functionality to actually cover a very important story with the top manager of the organization wants to see what's inside the control room. And sometimes your users are somewhere in the fields, at home, at another office, in another city, traveling, or just having his morning coffee. So they can anytime connect to the video wall and check what happens and even work with the data. Okay, so that's a news. That's a life which we are surviving, operators surviving, and we are helping them together. And
Então, vamos lá, né, me apresentar aqui novamente. Sou Danilo. Queria ver se vocês entenderam, se alguém tem alguma dúvida sobre o Polywall Lens. Se alguém tem alguma dúvida sobre o Polywall Lens, se ficou alguma dúvida, se vocês entenderam muito bem o que é essa novidade que a gente está trazendo agora para o Polywall. Não sei se ficou tão claro assim quando o Ivan colocou. Antigamente, então, a gente tinha o Polywall ali no browser e quando você abria para poder controlar via KVM, você tinha aquela resolução fechada. O que agora com o Polywall Lens a gente consegue. Então, por exemplo, se a gente tem um visual de sei lá, 12 telas por 4, a gente vai ter 9.000 pixels. Numa tela de Full HD fica muito ruim de você conseguir operar, porque ela vai ficar muito pequena. Agora, com o Polywall Lens, a gente consegue, por exemplo, similar ao que é feito no Ndesk. Então, eu abro a resolução inteira e eu consigo fazer um pan de tudo aquilo ali. Então, eu vejo pixel por pixel. Então, se eu quero mexer num dashboard, quero fazer um login de alguma coisa que está lá, eu consigo fazer sem precisar ficar dando zoom ou qualquer outra coisa. Então, isso deu uma facilitada muito grande agora para os processos. Ivan, go with the MTC part right now.
It's your part, Danilo.
No, it's your part.
Okay,
No,
let's go.
you can say it.
So MTC is a USA-based vendor for the different audio-video equipment. And for us, it is important that it is a manufacturer of the video wall controller PC, USA brand, which builds the system by request, built to order, and customized to order. So whenever you come to the control room project and you need a proper hardware, and by proper, I mean making its job, properly supported, USA, made in USA, but with a proper Brazilian price, that's it. That is a system which will help you not to care about the harder part of the video wall management system. So that story is actually most versatile, believe me. I'm speaking to all companies on all the market and doing the global business. And that type of approach is the most convenient for the integrators to build their control system projects. Why? Because you just request what you need, and it's built to order here. You don't need to take care about this, to take care about components, or to take care about price. Because, you know, when some guys are starting to do this globally, it's like double or triple pricing. So they need it. But here in Brazil, we just always need to match our budget expectations, okay? So it's a very important story, and we can achieve it with MTC. If you need some kind of small PC for the like 2x2 video wall to run content, yeah, you can make it. If you need a powerful PC for large video wall, for a lot of camera streams, with a hot redundancy story, yeah, we can make it. So these big black computers which we are providing is the best solution for the video wall control, which is completely authorized and synchronized with our team. So whatever is here inside is checked and completely fit to the projects based on Polywall. Okay, and further, how we work here, how to do projects with Polywall here in Brazil. Our teams are completely synchronized. So my part in this tandem is a global experience, best practices, new features, the support of the developers, support of the engineers. Danilo part, first, to know you. He is completely full professional about the control rooms, about the video wall content management, about Polywall, about MTC, and he is doing the business here. And we are supporting him always. Whenever you talk to Danilo, you talk to me as well. So if he needs any help from us, from design point, from delivery point, proof of concept, some diagram, some documents, or anything else, he already has the support. So we are completely integrated teams working together to give you the best experience. So this brings you a lot of interesting features which you cannot get if you work with some other stories. For instance, the support. Anybody of you who already did the Polywall project knows this story, that if you have some issues with installation during the integration phase, you apply the ticket to the vendor of some international company, you wait for a couple business days, and then you get a reply, because it's 2 business days to reply. Okay, what happens? When you work the same with a Polywall, you tell to Danilo, I have an issue. And Danilo, look, if he cannot resolve it right now by himself, he just call Master Yoda. He's our chief technician guy. You will meet him on the 2nd floor. Yoda, I need your help. So Yoda say, okay, give me any desk. And immediately resolve the situation. It's not bureaucracy, it's just to make it work quickly, without delays, without the issues, and without the bureaucracy. So that's how we work. So try it. Somebody of you already did it, somebody not, but believe us, it works. Sales support, it's a fantastic story. The big black computers are here. We call them BBC, okay? So you can get a live demo in showroom here in Santana, in São Paulo. If you want to make the on-site demo for the users, for your customer, it's easy. You just tell Danilo, I need a demo unit. And then he gives a demo unit to the courier, and today customer will receive it. It's a best story, but it's for São Paulo, you know. For other cities, it's different story. So that works. Customers understand what they buy, how it will look like, how they will operate their video walls, and they will be happy to proceed with this. And the most interesting story about money, yeah, it is protected. So first partner comes, registers the project, gets a project discount, which is exclusive. That's it. So Danilo is a big guy. He's just not letting anybody to go around, to go to us, because if somebody comes to me, you know, around the Danilo somehow, then he goes back to Danilo, because, you know, he's my partner here. We are integrated here. So whenever it's about money, project's registration is here. It is local, done by Danilo. You give him a project details, customer name, and he will protect your business. So no worries here, everything's set up, it works, and it works so good that already 104, today I calculated, we just closed 104 control room projects here in Brazil by Danilo efforts. Control room business, it's not just video wall. It's a huge stuff, it's a huge story like this, with a big video wall, a lot of cablings, a lot of works, average delivery time 9 months. And 100 control rooms are given. It's a real names. I'm not sure if they are okay with that, but okay, we show them. It's the real names of our customers. And that one was the first, by the way. It's a powerful guys, you know them. A very high standards. And these guys are, all of them are happy with the Polywall, and at least half of them happy with Polywall and MTC. Another half is DataPath, okay. So these guys are trusting Polywall to control their control room data. That's a strong message. It's already done. And 100 projects here, 8 years we are working here. Danilo experience with Polywall is 8 years. He knows everything, believe me. So, Polywall 3.11 is officially launched. Polywall Lens is a fantastic tool to work with the big video walls, with a lot of data is here. MTC is ready with his big black computers to go to tailor to your needs and to be delivered. It's a one-stop place to actually get everything what you need for your control room project. And let's try it. Come to us, second floor, Paraíso room. Yeah. And let's see how it works. Let's do second 100 together. It will be a great idea. Thank you.
E aproveitando aí também o que o Ivan falou, até reforçando, então, colocando da questão da MTC. Então, a MTC é uma marca nossa, que a gente tem aqui, então, muitos de vocês aqui já até usaram, já cotaram com a gente. Então, o MTC, ele é feito do modo para o seu projeto. A gente tem os modelos que já são os modelos padrões, mas o MTC ele pode ser 100% customizável. Então, se a gente tiver, por exemplo, um tender de governo, um TR que precisa ser feito daquele jeito, a gente consegue pegar e customizar a ponto de que a gente consiga atender aquele TR do governo. E também a gente pode sentar junto e verificar o que seu cliente precisa. Danilo, eu tenho um cliente que ele vai precisar de 8 telas. Muitas vezes, as 8 telas dele, ele vai passar, por exemplo, câmera, ou vai ter um dashboard que é muito mais pesado, o MTC 800, que é o de base, não funciona. A gente vai dar uma olhada, verifica, a gente vai olhar o que vai precisar de processamento e a gente consegue colocar. Outra coisa também que é bem importante colocar aqui, que a gente colocou aí, até pedi para o Ivan colocar dentro do deck de apresentação dele aqui, é a questão do registro. Aqui a gente sempre mostra, passa o valor de registro, passa o valor cheio. Quem registrou sempre vai ter a prioridade, seja a prioridade do desconto, seja a prioridade de se precisar de um faturamento direto, de comprar FOB, tudo isso. Então, registrem. Se não registrarem, vai acabar ficando, e aí depois não adianta chegar, Danilo, mas pô, eu fechei esse projeto aqui já contando com preço de registro. Se tiver registrado para outra pessoa, eu não vou poder quebrar isso aí. Porque, né, tem que ser aquela coisa que eu, por exemplo, se o Edson está fazendo, eu não posso quebrar essa regra para ele em conta de outro. Então, eu sempre tenho que pegar ali e colocar. Então, o registro é muito importante, pode mandar. A gente não atende cliente final, então não existe concorrência, tudo fica ali fechado, vai estar ali fechado com a gente, vai estar registrado com o Ivan. Então, não existe a chance de, por exemplo, um concorrente seu ir atravessar e ir lá falar direto com a Polywall, porque qualquer coisa que seja América Latina que bate na Polywall vai ter que voltar para a gente. Então, a gente quer sempre colocar isso aí para fazer a questão do registro, até mesmo para a proteção de vocês. Então, muito obrigado a todos aí, e a gente vai estar lá na sala, lá em cima, com o setup montado lá. Valeu.
And большое спасибо.
Yeah.